Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm thrilled to take you on a walking tour of the gorgeous beaches of Canet De Mar in Barcelona, Spain. Before we start, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic travel content. Canet De Mar is a beautiful seaside town located on the coast of Barcelona, and it's known for its stunning beaches and charming atmosphere.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
On this walking tour, we'll explore the beaches and discover why Canet De Mar is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Spain. Our first stop is Playa del Caballo, a beautiful sandy beach with crystal clear water. The beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and relaxing, and it's not overcrowded with tourists, which makes it an excellent spot to unwind. As we walk along the shoreline, you'll notice the charming beach bars and restaurants that line the promenade, where you can grab a refreshing drink or a bite to eat. Next up, we'll make our way to Playa de la Mussula, another stunning beach with a wide stretch of golden sand. The beach is family-friendly and offers plenty of amenities, including showers, changing rooms, and beach umbrellas. You'll also find several water sports facilities here, such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and windsurfing, for those looking for some adventure. Our final stop is the picturesque Calero Capins Beach, a hidden gem tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the town. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!